Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can replace audio on reels you've already posted. So let's get right into it. Now, this might be available for you and this might not be available for you depending on your app version, your region, and a lot of different things. Maybe just because Instagram selected your account to have it or not have it. However, what I'm going to show you might not work for you, but I'll go to a different solution later. So firstly, you're going to go into your account and go into any of your reels and go into the full reel view. Now, if your reel says audio unavailable, you can click on that or click on the audio here in the bottom left, and you might be able to replace it. In my well, in my case, I'm not able to replace it. As you can see, you can only rename it, copy the link, or show the QR code for that audio. If I click here on the gray side or the gray icon, same thing happens. So there's no way to replace it from here. In my case, it might be available in your case if your audio is unavailable. Other than that, you can go into your three dots menu, click on manage, and click on edit, and you might see an option here. I don't, so it's not available for me, but you might be able to fix it like that. However, if none of that helps you and if none of that works for you, then pretty much the only way in which you can replace the audio on your reel is to take the reel down, maybe download the reel video, mute it, and then replace it with different audio. But other than that, there's really nothing else that you can do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.